Digital End-User Experience monitors applications, devices, and application networks proactively. Employees can troubleshoot issues and interact seamlessly with IT services. Application and Device Health collects user experience data and performance metrics. This helps comprehensive management of applications, users, and devices. The monitoring dashboard provides insights into the end-user experience with digital applications and services across all devices and locations. Content Playbook monitors web applications, installed applications, and device health. Users can run diagnostic actions on their connected devices for troubleshooting. Policies and Checks monitor metrics across both operating systems. IT teams can remediate device issues remotely or trigger automated processes for common problems. Configured metric rules generate DEX alerts to automatically detect issues based on threshold breaches. IT teams can manage alerts and remediate issues across multiple devices simultaneously, streamlining problem resolution across the organization. DEX detects issues and helps employees self-solve them proactively by sending them self-help guidance or enabling remedial actions to be run on the end-user device without ever having to reach out to IT. Continuous monitoring measures, application and device health metrics. End-to-end visibility identifies users, applications, and devices needing attention, engaging employees through self-help instructions or automated actions. With Desktop Assistant, employees can perform self-service tasks, conduct network tests, and access critical IT resources. Virtual agent integration helps employees to get answers quickly and seamlessly. The Digital Experience Score dashboard helps analyze device metrics, user sentiment, and service desk data for comprehensive insights into employee digital experience. Organizations can evaluate performance through insights into productivity, efficiency, user behavior, and engagement. DEX data is populated into the incident record, providing valuable insights into device health, accelerating ticket diagnosis and resolution. Software Asset Management integration provides software metering data from DEX. Organizations can reclaim software licenses and reduce costs through unified application visibility. Multiple user roles support different responsibilities. Administrators manage access and monitoring, engineers execute remedial actions, and end users self-solve issues and access IT resources through Desktop Assistant. IT professionals gain proactive visibility for comprehensive issue analysis, while employees receive optimized digital experiences through self-service capabilities. DEX helps transform IT operations through proactive visibility and automated remediation, and end-user experience optimization. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.